Stand Up and Boogie is a 48 count 4-wall dance. Going to start with a chassé back rock to the right, side by side, back rock. Then a rocking chair, forward rock, back rock. Chassé back rock to the left, side by side, back rock, and a rocking chair, forward rock, back rock. So what we did to the right, we then mirror to the left. Let's take it from the beginning and put it together. Chassé back rock and a rocking chair. Ready? And side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock. Now 2 jazz boxes. Crossing right over left. Ready? And cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together. Let's add that on from the beginning. Ready? And side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together. Now we're going to travel forward with a right lock and a brush. So you're going to step forward, right lock, right, and a brush. And a brush is where you just knock the bottom of the foot against the floor, brush. So a brush is the whole of the bottom of the foot against the floor, whereas the scuff is where you just knock the heel against the floor, okay? So we're doing a right lock, right brush, and then we're going to mirror that with a left lock, left brush. So let's put those brushes together, leading with the right. Ready? And right lock, right brush, left lock, left brush. When we do our right lock, right brush, when you brush, right lock, right, brush towards the left diagonal, which is the way you're going to go for your left lock, then a left lock, left, and when you brush, brush towards the right diagonal, because next we're going to go into a K-step, which travels to the right diagonal. Okay, let's put it together from the beginning. Chassé back rock and a rocking chair. Ready? And side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left lock, left brush. From that brush, we're going into what we call a K-step. So if you imagine your letter K, like that, we're going to make that part of the K. We're going to step slightly on the right diagonal forward and touch the left next to the right. Then come back on that diagonal, back on the left, touch the right. Then we're going to go to the back right diagonal with the right and touch the left, and then retrace with a forward touch. Okay, so we made like that part of the K, forward touch, back touch, forward touch. So we're going to add that on from the left lock, left brush, leading with the left. Ready? And left lock, left brush, forward touch, back touch, forward touch. Let's take it from the beginning. Chassé back rock. Ready? And side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side by side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, locks, right brush, left lock, left brush, K-step, forward touch, back touch, forward touch. From here, you're going to take 2 steps back, right, left. You're going to turn to your new wall, which is the wall to your right, stepping back on the right and kick the left. Okay, so if we go from the K-step, forward on the right, forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back 2, right, left, quarter turn, kick, and then we'll walk back, 1, 2, 3, and touch the right next to the left, ready to start again. So let's take it again from the K-step, forward diagonal with the right, forward touch, back touch, back touch, forward touch, back, right, left, quarter turn, kick the left, back, left, right, left, touch the right. Let me do that again for you from the K step. Ready, and forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, 2, 3, touch. Let's put it together from the beginning. Chassé back rock on a rocking chair. Ready, and side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock again. Side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left, lock, left, brush, K-step, forward touch, back, touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, touch. Now let's do our second wall, facing 3 o'clock. Chassé back rock on a rocking chair to the right. Ready, and side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left, lock, left, brush, K-step, forward touch, back, touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, 2, 3, touch. Now we'll do the back wall, facing 6 o'clock, chassé back rock to the right. Ready, and side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left, lock, left, brush, K-step, forward touch, back, touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, touch. Now our last wall, facing 9 o'clock, chassé back rock, ready, and side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, side close side, back rock, forward rock, back rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left, lock, left, brush, K-step, forward touch, back, touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, 2, 3, touch. Now let me go over the dance with the counts for you. Chassé back rock in a rocking chair, 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's go over the link. We're facing our 9 o'clock wall. And come back for the last section. Come back right, left, quarter turn, kick. Ready, and back right, left, turn, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, chassé, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock. So let's just do that again together. Coming back on the right, 2 walks back and then a quarter turn. Ready, and back right, left, turn, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock. Now let's dance the 4 walls without stopping. 5, 6, 7, and side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left, lock, left, brush, K-step, forward touch, back, touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, chassé, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right, brush, left lock, left brush, K-step, forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, touch, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right brush, left lock, left brush, K-step, forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, touch, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, side close side, back, rock, forward rock, back, rock, jazz, cross, back, side together, cross, back, side together, lock, right brush, left lock, left brush, K-step, forward touch, back touch, forward touch, back, turn, kick, back, touch. Well done.